any I do. I anticipate Jackson, whatever you do, guys. Can you be what? Yeah. Can you be a son? And keep it, Jackson. Yeah. Saying out again.
Love, I'm coming in. Our love, you are beautiful.
Beautiful. Our love, this dress looked beautiful on me. Give me a ride? Love, I don't think it's better. This dress is very uncomfortable, you know? I came here, actually, to remove it. Okay then.
And love, but do the following. While you move out, go broke, I go outside to chat with your guests, okay?
No, love. Wait just a little bit. But why, love?
Love, are you already feeling lonely?
Love, then, I really need to tell you something.
But love, the guests are all waiting. It needs to be now, it can't be left for later.
But love, what I have to tell you